Nothing exciting, still welding up shit cars.
So what part of the car is this, Ash?
Front wing, I've repaired all those sections on the, but it's just got little pinholes in it. I mean, it's just awkward. It's awkward to cut that piece of metal out. I think I'm gonna have to though. I've filled in the small holes there, and I need to cut that out, replace that and that. It's this bit here I need to do really, because it's on that double fold over. It'll be hard to cut out.
You're cutting that whole piece out then?
Yeah, it's not worth putting little patches in it, to be honest with you. It'll go in easier, because like, do you remember I was saying before, if you can weld it on an edge,
yeah,
then it won't warp and buckle, so you've only got that bit there to worry about warping, you know, twisting up. So it's easier in many ways just to cut that out as a lump. Like that was the bottom of that. It's all gone thin. I've got to put the hole in it for the wing support, but it just saves all of that, you know.
That's it.
Just trying to patch it in little bits and weld that up, it'll just burn through everywhere. See how thin it is there? See that dent in it? It's not a dent, it's rust. But luckily, being 70s yank, it's still pretty thick old gear.
Yeah. So how these helmets work, Nash?
Basically, that's your lens through there, so you can sort of see through that, yeah?
Yeah.
Like so.
Yeah.
You see how dirty it is now. Now when you flash the MIG up, that reactor there instantly darkens the lens down. So you've got sensitivity, so you can set it on high or low, or you can put the delay on long or short. I'll have everything on high sensitivity and short delay, because when you've had archive a few times you don't want it again. And that, the other knob like on there, you can dial up your brightness, light or dark, see? So yeah. 9, I think, yeah, 9 being your lightest, 13 being the darkest. So when you're welding, if you're doing a continuous weld, you can reach up and turn it down. I don't do a lot of continuous welding really, but yeah, your time delays, they do make a slight bit of difference, but yeah, they're just a bloody good idea.
So archive, is that like a permanent thing, or?
No, it goes away. It's like having hot sand in your eyes.
Okay.
It burns the nerves, I think, on the back of your eye. And yeah, it's not nice. Rusty old cars.
Next week on the workshop.